this is a fake flower. You know why? Because I can eat it. You talk.
You don't call it a fake flower. It's a
Edible flower.
edible flower.
Sabihin mo kay, hi guys, today I'm gonna eat an edible candy.
Unedible.
An edible candy flower.
Oh, sige, you eat it na. Sweet.
Yes. It sticks to my mouth like bubble gum.
Yeah, it's all sugar kasi. Yeah, very nice naman. Kala ko naman gift mo sa akin nung Mother's Day. Pala kakainin ni Rela. Can I taste?
Okay.
Teka lang. Masarap naman siya. Lasa siyang pastillas. No? Oo nga, lasa siyang pastillas. Masarap. Yummy.
I think this is pastillas, but they're shaped into a flower.
Okay. Sarap.
Bye-bye.